Large petals with gentle shades of royal purple hues, this orchid displays a soft yet impressive appearance. It exudes a fragrance full of sophistication and grace. The calming and soothing effects from our fragrances promotes a sense of relaxation for our mental health, which highlights the benefits of our therapeutic orchids. On top of that, these orchids come with an abundance of medicinal values, further enhancing the value of our fragrances. The versatility of this therapeutic orchid allows for various usage of it. The entirety of the plant is used in traditional Chinese medicine. It can reduce fever, remove toxins from the body, and improve blood circulation. Other uses include treating itchy sores, ulcers, and alleviate pains. Mainly consumed as an herbal remedy to relieve stomach aches and chest pain, this orchid is used as an emollient in India. In northeastern Uttar Pradesh, it is reputed to be a health tonic and could be used to treat rheumatism as well. A mixture of ingredients such as vetiver and hyrax are added into this fragrance composition to enhance the muskiness and depth. Since ancient times, vetiver has gained much popularity as a fragrance ingredient in perfumes. Exuding an earthy, woody, and grassy scent, it works splendidly as a base note and fixative in perfumes. Evidence also shows that vetiver essential oil can improve focus and memory and reduce stress, all of which enhances productivity and creativity. Hyrax or Hyraceum is the essence obtained from the small rodent Hyrax's dried-up crystalline fecal matter, combined olfactory facets of musk, civet, tobacco, and agarwood. This ingredient is used very sparingly in perfumery for an animalistic, musky, and sensual note. The use of this ingredient is more encouraged as an ethical substitute for deer musk and civet, which requires killing the animal. Other than its use in perfumery, it also plays an important role in traditional folk medicine in South Africa. It is used as a remedy for epilepsy, kidney problems, and feminine hormonal disorders. A sensual and powerful combination of rich, woody accords and alluring potion of spice and animalistic musk. This fragrance is not for the faint-hearted. This is for the woman who wants to be noticed and remembered.